If you thought my fish shito was good, wait till you taste this shrimp version. Today we are making a rich, deeply flavored Ghanaian shrimp shito that will change the way you enjoy rice, waakye, kenke, everything. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. And if you watch my first shito video using fish, this is a shrimp version you've been waiting for. So let's get started, guys. For this shrimp shito, we'll be using dried shrimps. We're going to wash this and blend it. Then we'll be using some ginger, of course, for the heat and of course the aroma of it, and some garlic to make it even more aromatic. We'll be using some chili pepper for its heat. You can use any pepper you prefer. Next on the list is onions. We are using lots of onions. I really love lots of onions in my shito. I'm going to roughly chop this because I don't want it smooth. Now into a large pot, I'm adding a generous amount of oil. Shito needs oil. This is what preserves it, so you need enough of it. So you're going to allow the oil to heat up properly before adding your onions. I roughly chop these onions like I mentioned earlier. Now we are going to keep stirring this slowly. This step is very important. We are not rushing it. We need to take our time and fry our onions properly. We are going to let this fry until the water reduces and the mixture looks like the onions are separating from the oil. Just like this. When the onions begin to turn brown or golden brown, then I'm going to be adding my pepper mix. This pepper mix, I blended the garlic and ginger all together. We are going to stir this gently. When you're doing shito, you don't rush the process. You need to be very patient with it because you don't want it to burn, because if you put on high heat, you're going to burn it, so it needs all your time. So when the color starts changing like this, looking brownish like this, then it's time to add the star of the show, that is our shrimp. You can see my shrimp is looking moist because I washed it. That's why it's looking moist, not powdered. So yes, please do well to be washing your shrimps because you know these things are usually sun dried, so there's a lot of sand in it, so you have to wash it, then you use it. Once it goes in, you immediately smell that rich seafood aroma. Mix it thoroughly so everything combines beautifully. At this point, guys, your attention is needed here. You don't have to move away from this at this point because you're going to burn it if you do. So you have to stick to it till the end. If you are here with me till this point, it means you're really enjoying the video, and if you want to see more of my cooking videos, please do well to subscribe if you haven't, like, share, and of course drop in the comments where you're watching me from. Thank you. Now we're adding our tomato paste. I don't do too much tomato paste because too much tomato paste can make it more stewy, so it won't be able to stay long if you have to keep it out on your counter. So I just do a bit and then I keep stirring. You are going to keep stirring at this stage so it doesn't burn. Kindly take note, you need to lower the heat at this point. Put it medium to low heat, it will be perfect. Then you gently stir this so it doesn't burn. Don't be in a rush. You also know that a good and well fried shito has a longer shelf life, so just do well and fry it properly. At this point, I'm adding my seasoning. I'm just doing seasoning powder and a bit of salt. At times, I don't add salt depending on how it tastes. You know, the seasoning powder already contains salt, and at times, the too much frying also contributes to some kind of salty taste in your shito, so be mindful. After cooking for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your quantity, our shrimp shito is ready. It should be dark, thick, and glossy. You can also adjust the oil if you want to, especially when you want it to sit out of the fridge so it can last longer. So if the oil is floating slightly on top, that's perfect. That means it will preserve well. You can pair this shrimp shito with some rice, waakye, kenke, yam, and even bread. Yes. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and catch you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and bye for now.